The instrument, their outfit, my God, the background of the stage, oh my goodness. Even I don't understand the song, guys, but you know, I feel I enjoyed this reaction, or I enjoyed this video. Wow. Oh. Ah! Wow. They're killing this, guys. My God. Woo! Ah! The facial expression, guys. My goodness. Magandang buhay and welcome back to Leanne's Vlog channel. For today's video, guys, another reaction again to Baby Metal. So I am going to react on their song Gimme Chocolate. So let's find out, guys, what will gonna be my reaction on this video. So let's start. Wow. Woo! My God! What's happening? My God! It gives me, you know, a feel goosebump. My God, every time Baby Metal perform, guys, wow, they never failed. You know, everyone to amaze on their performance. If you want to watch the full video of this performance of Baby Metal, Gimme Chocolate, guys, please visit my description down below and see the link, guys, for you to, you know, watch the full performance. So let's continue. Wow, this is very exciting. I love their costume so much, you know. This is so good. Wow. So cute! My goodness! May I know what is, you know, what is her name? The one we started to sing? So cute! Oh. My God. Wow. They're really amazing, guys, you know. Wow. The instrument, their outfit, my God, the background of the stage, oh my goodness. Even I don't understand the song, guys, but you know, I feel I enjoyed this reaction, or I enjoyed this video. Wow. Oh. Ah! Wow. They're killing this, guys. My God. Woo! Ah! The facial expression, guys. My goodness. This is very, you know, this is very hard to do, guys. No, I feel, you know, tired. I'm doing this kind of, you know, singing and dancing. My God, giving their full of energy on their performance. Wow, such an amazing talent of this beautiful girl. The costume is so good. I mean, the costume, guys, is very cute. Wow. My God. Woo! Wow! Wow! guys. My God! Where those energy came from? My God, Baby Metal! Everyone enjoyed so much, guys. They're having fun watching Baby Metal performance. Wow. My God, the audience! So cute! Wow, you know, they never tired, guys. And they're, you know, in their energy, in their performance, my God, they love what they are doing, guys, so much. They having fun, you know. They smile on their face, guys. My God. We always see that, guys, on their every time they have a performance. Fact that it was uploaded February 2014, guys, but you know, the views is still, you know, wow, continuous. It has 136 million views, guys. Oh my goodness. So much proud, you know, from Japanese people having, you know, a band like this on their country, guys. Woo! My God, they're so cute. They rock this performance. Wow, that's so cool. I want that. My God, I want this one. Can I replay that part? Para pa pa pa. Oh, so cute. Oh my God. How did she do that? Oh my God. Oh! See you in the Mushi Pit. Wow, correct me if I'm wrong. Wow, what a performance. Wonderful. A film by Univision. Oh, so much pride of Japan. My goodness. You know, I didn't expect every time, you know, Baby Metal have a performance. Wow. You know, the viewers, they never fail the viewers to amaze every time, you know, they have a performance or official music video, something like that. And every time I watch their performance, guys, wow, I feel goosebumps. My God, they are really amazing, guys. Their performance is so good. Oh my God, incredible performance. I have so much fun, you know, doing this reaction to Baby Metal, guys. They are so talented band. My God, full energy. Never failed in their performance, or every time they have a performance, guys. The choreography, the effects of the stage, the sound of, you know, instrument, even the, you know, the drummers, the guitarists, wow, they killing it, guys. My goodness. So that's it for today reaction, guys. If you have a suggestion, don't hesitate to comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe Leon's Vlog and click the bell button down below for you to be updated every time I have a new upload. So once again, guys, Leon's Vlog, nagsasabing happy lang, bawal lang nagan, to God be all the glory. Bye everyone! Thank you for watching!